And then, Matt, you know what to do. Okay. You want to turn off the light a little bit? Hopefully. Sorry, we are wasting some time. Is that better? Yeah. Okay. Is that better on TV screen? Okay. The first one, if I ask you something like what is the name of structure, or what stage, or different structure, morula. Yes, morula. What is the name of structure? No, structure. Blastocele. Blastocele. What stage? Blastula. What is the name of structure? Right. Blastopore. What is the name of structure? Archentron. And this is a gastrula stage. Okay, this would be a blastula. You cannot see the blastocele inside there. Here, that's a nice blastula. Right here, the inside is blastocele. What stage is blastula? That's all I can ask from these two questions. Okay, so here is what stage? Bipenarial larva. Bipenarial larva. And mouth would be in this area, right here. So all of this is stomach, and this would be anus, right here. And the gastric pouch or gastric coelom, or gastric coelomic vesicles. I should pay more attention. Coelomic vesicles or coelomic pouch. Different books call it different, but same thing. It's right here. You have it right here. That's coelomic pouch. This, you see how that little it is? That's coelomic pouch. Okay, bipenarial larva. What organism? I might ask. Starfish. Starfish. Okay, how many hours? 33 hours. 33 hours. What is the name of structure? Optic vesicle. What is the name of the structure? Prosencephalon. Right? Okay. What germ layer? Mesoderm. Mesoderm. What germ layer? Ectoderm. Okay, what germ layer? Mesoderm. These are all mesoderm. All of these are mesoderm, and this would be endoderm, right? And this would be ectoderm. Okay, same thing here. Same thing. Optic vesicle, prosencephalon. Same thing here. This is through the head. What is the name of the entire structure? Heart. Heart. What is the name of structure to be specific? Epimyocardium. Epimyocardium. What is the name of structure? Be specific. Endocardium. Endocardium. What is the clown mouth? Pharynx. Look like a clown. Have you guys gone to circus? No. Yeah, well, no. Well, you should go next time. Right here is the clown mouth right here. What is the name of structure? Neural tube. Neural tube. So I put the pointer here. You know, during exam, you don't see something going around like that. Okay, but the pointer is going to be right here. What is the name of structure? Neural tube. What is the name of structure? Notochord. What is the name of structure? Dorsal Aorta. What is the name of structure? Coelom. Coelom. These are all coelom. You have coelom on that side, coelom on that side. It is surrounded by mesoderm. Same thing here. Heart, another section through the heart. Okay, what is the name of structure? Somites. Very good. Somites. And you see, this is almost the end of the neural tube. You see that? The top is becoming very flat. Soon the top will disappear, and I hope I have another picture. So somites, what is the name of structure? Notochord. Same thing here. Notochord on the bottom, neural tube, and somites. Let's see. Yes. Gone. Completely gone. The top portion is gone. So what is the name of structure here now? Neural fold. Neural fold. And what is the name of structure? Neural groove. In a frog, you call this, of course, a frog is totally different. I don't want to confuse you. You call it neural plate, right? You call this whole thing neural plate. But anyhow, what is the name of structure? Notochord. Same thing here. Neural fold, neural groove, notochord. You see the difference of the pointer? And that's why during exam I quite come often and tap you, say move, because I want to look at it. and I have 20 slides, 30 slides to look at. Is that right? And you guys sit stare. I say, I push you. I gotta learn how to play football. American football, play tackle and tackle you, so you move. And some of you still sit. And anyhow, Jasmine is like that. She still sits. I don't want to move on you. I lose valuable seconds. Anyhow, what is the name of structure? Euglena. What phylum? Euglenozoa. What disease?
No disease.
No disease. What kind of symbiosis? Free living. It's a free living organism. Does not have any kind of symbiosis. Does not have. What is the mode of locomotion? Flagella. How do they obtain their food? Photosynthesis. Are you guys getting it?
Is it flagella or flagellum?
Flagellum, thank you. They have one flagellum. Flagellum. Okay, here's a high magnification, and some of these you can see the flagellum nucleus here. And you know. What is you think the name of this organism is? Giardia. Not very clear, but it's on the 40X, and that's what you're going to see during the exam. You will not see perfect pictures. You will see something like that, so make sure Giardia. What disease is it called? Diarrhea. You can write down giardiasis, but I will not, and you're right, but I will not give you credit. When I ask what disease, pretty much I'm looking for what symptoms, what signs and symptoms. If we didn't talk about signs and symptoms, what it means in the lecture. But anyhow, yes.
Is Giardia underlined or Giardia?
Both. Giardia, Lamblia, they both must be underlined. Giardia is a scientific name of genus.
Okay.
Lamblia. Huh?
We have to write down Lamblia?
Sure. If I ask you what is a scientific name, you should write down the name of both. Giardia lamblia or Giardia intestinalis. That's in the table I gave you at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the mode of locomotion? Flagella, because they have more than one. Flagella. Okay, what phylum? Retrostomata. Okay, what else do I have to know in this one? Locomotion. What kind of symbiosis? Parasitism. Parasite. They're parasite. Parasitism. Okay, this one is there should be in here, right here, like that one. You see the dot inside of red blood cells? What is the name of the disease? Malaria. What is the name of the genus? Plasmodium. Genus. If I say scientific name, then you write down genus and species. But I ask you what is the name of genus, so you just write down Plasmodium. You remember the scientific name from lecture notes? I talked about it? Okay, what else? What else am I supposed to? Oh, mode of locomotion. Gliding. What phylum? Apicomplexa. What is the name of the organism? Leishmania. What is the mode of locomotion? Flagellum. What phylum? Euglenozoa. What disease? Name of the disease? Cutaneous leishmaniasis or visceral leishmaniasis. If you just write down leishmaniasis, I will not give you credit. Even though you're right, but you're learning amirology. You're learning amirology. So anyhow, that's what I want. So what else? What phylum? Okay, we talked about that. Okay, what is the name of the organism? Trypanosoma. You don't know if it is Trypanosoma cruzii or Trypanosoma brucei. Either one you write down, I'll give you credit. If I ask you for a scientific name, either one you write down, I'll give you credit. Brucei or cruzii. What is the mode of locomotion? Flagellum. What phylum? Euglenozoa. What disease? Either sleeping sickness or Chagas. Either one you write down, I should give you credit. Because as I said, you're not in this class. If you take parasitology with me sometime later on in your life, you have to tell them apart. But not in this class. Cruzi are more C-shaped. They're more circular. This is a Brucei. But anyhow, yes. Any other question? Okay. What is the name of the organism? Yeah, Balantidium coli. Not a good-looking one, but it's Balantidium coli. What is the mode of locomotion?
Cilia.
Cilia. What phylum? Ciliophora. What disease?
Diarrhea.
Diarrhea. What is the name of the organism? Serratium. What phylum? Dinoflagellata. What group of organisms they belong to? I should say group. Foraminophorans. Foraminophorans. What is the name of the structure?
Shell.
Test or shell or exoskeleton. Either one of them. What is the group? Radiolarians. Radiolarians. Foraminophorans, radiolarians. What phylum? Dinoflagellata. Okay, what is the name of the organism? Paramecium. Paramecium. What phylum? Celiophora. What kind of symbiosis?
Free living.
Free living. Same thing. What is the name of structure? Nucleus. And this would be like what? What is the name of structure here? Yeah, it would be vacuole, something like that. Okay, what is the name of structure? No. What is the name of structure?
Pseudopod.
No. You guys cannot see it. Huh? I can.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's a vacuole. This is a vacuole. What is the name of structure right here? Nucleus, vacuole. And if I want to ask pseudopod, I would ask what is the name of structure right here? That would be pseudopod. You're right. So this is not. What phylum? Dinoflagellata. Okay. What kind of symbiosis?
No, mutualism.
Mutualism. What is the name of the genus? Trichonympha. Trichonympha. Right here. What is the mode of locomotion? Flagella. Flagella. Many, yeah, flagella. Many have many flagella. So this is a mutualistic type relationship. Is that right? Trichonympha in the gut of the termite. This is the slide, the gut of termite. What is the name of the organism? The name of genus? Volvox. What is the name of the cell? Vegetative cells. How do they obtain their food? Photosynthesis. What is the mode of locomotion? Flagella. 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 What is the name of the structure right here? Daughter colony. Daughter colony. This is a water flea, nothing to worry about, but you see vegetative cells here? Okay, these are daughter colonies and so on and so forth. Okay, how many hours? 24 hours. This is 24 hours. What is the name of structure? Neural pore, is that right what it's called? Anterior neural pore. I never asked that before, but you might be the first group. I don't know. But anyhow. What is the name of structure right here? I don't know. You guys want to look, see what I'm missing or what I'm not missing? Look through your. If you give me your list, I will go over it. Does anybody have the list? Thank you. Because I might forget something, and that would not be good. Okay, 24 hours. On 20. Okay, head fold right here, I guess. Head fold right in this area. Margin of amnion. This, if I put the pointer here, that would be margin of amnion. No other thing is possible. Notochord. On my computer right now, I am seeing the notochord. There is a line right here, it goes through. Nice and beautiful. I don't know what is on TV screen. Maybe they. So you would see it. You should see notochord on microscope or dissecting scope. If you don't see it, holler at me. We'll look at a few slides together so you can find it. So notochord is there. It's just a line. You've seen it on the models, on the model of 33 hours. So it's a line. Notochord, I see that. Somites, these are somites. Right here. These are somites. Surface ectoderm, right here. All of that clear area is surface ectoderm. Vascularized area, right here. Sometimes in lab practical exam, I put the pointer here and you guys go berserk. So what does that mean? I've never seen it. What do you mean? Is the pointer in the right place? I say yes, it is in the right place. So right here is a vascularized area, surface ectoderm.
I thought that was lateral mesoderm.
In 33 hours, they call it lateral mesoderm. So surface ectoderm for now. Primitive streak down here. Okay. Neural groove would be down. Well, primitive streak would be way down here, and this would be neural groove area. Right in this area would be neural groove. Neural fold. Right at tip of this should be neural fold. Right here, that's a neural fold. Okay. Right in this area, that should be neural. These are somites, neural fold, and it goes all the way down here. And neural tube, of course, up here, it should be neural tube. In this area, that should be neural tube. This neural fold starts from right around here, from the somites and the other. Okay, so how many hours? No, the last one. 24. How many hours? 33. What is the name of structure? Optic vesicles. What is the name of structure? Prosencephalon. What is the name of structure? Mesencephalon. What is the name of structure? Rhombencephalon. What is the name of structure? Heart. Margin of amnion, it should be right around here. I'm going on my own, sorry. Anterior neuropore, it should be right here. Okay, optic vesicles, heart, Vetteline vessels, they cut them off, but like if I put the pointer here, that would be a Vetteline vessel. But if I put the pointer here, that would be margin of amnion. So from here to here is a blood vessel. Okay, from here to here is a blood vessel. So I'll put it here to ask what is it. I will put it here, just Vetteline vessel. Neural tube, this is a neural tube right here. All of this later on the bottom portion of the animal becomes neural fold, but right now up here in the somite area and all that, all of this is neural tube. Mesodermal, there is a Q in here, I don't know how that got there. Mesodermal somites. These are mesodermal somites. Neural fold on the bottom, neural fold way on the bottom. Neural groove on the bottom, rhombencephalon. Notochord, I don't see it on this slide on my laptop, but a notochord should start from right in this area, and it goes all the way down. So notochord is here, you should be able to see it. Mesencephalon, rhombencephalon, prosencephalon, head ectoderm, right here. That's all. Yes, what else? Here we go. Neural fold. Rita, neural fold, neural groove. Is that right? Neural groove, neural fold, primitive streak. 33 hours. Still 33 hours. Still 33 hours. I couldn't fit both of them in one slide, so Okay, how many hours? 48. So, based on the list, I have mesencephalon, which would be the big bulge. The biggest portion should be your mesencephalon right here. Okay? So there are 5 parts of the brain. The way you're supposed to identify the 5 parts of the brain, the way I would, I'll speak for myself. The way I would identify the 5 parts of the brain is I'll locate the big bulge, the big portion, and you see it on your slides. The big one is mesencephalon. Then you have 2 in front and 2 in the back. So the front, so this is mesencephalon, 2 in front of it, this one from here, all the way from here to here. All the way from here to here is your diencephalon. All of this is diencephalon. And then this one is telencephalon. All of this is telencephalon. So I put the pointer here is telencephalon. I put the pointer here is diencephalon. I put the pointer here is mesencephalon. This is the eye, heart. All of this is heart. Okay. Then in the back of the mesencephalon, the 2 bulges, the 2 other structures in the back of mesencephalon is right here is metencephalon. Metencephalon starts from here to here. You see that? All of that area is metencephalon. And this clear white area is myelencephalon. Myelin means what, guys? Myelin sheath, myelin, fat, is that right? Is around neuron. You remember that? So this would be myelencephalon. Right here, all of that is myelencephalon. What else do I need to know? Okay, mesodermal myelencephalon, I said I here. Telencephalon, heart, margin of amnion, right here. That would be margin of amnion, right there. Somites. All of these are somites. Neural tube. All of this is neural tube. Caudal fold would be in this area, maybe next slide. Vetteline vessels. So any blood vessels you find here is Vetteline vessels. Maybe this one. So inside is margin of amnion. Outside, right here, it would be Vetteline vessels. Ear. Ear should be in this area. I don't see it very well even on my laptop computer, but on your slides it's gorgeous. Every slide you put up, I find it for you. So ear or optic vesicle, either one. Ear or optic vesicle, O-T-I-C, optic vesicle. Okay, how many hours?
72.
Is that right? 72 hours. Okay. The big bulge is what? Mesencephalon. The one in front of it? Diencephalon, and this one?
Telencephalon.
Very easy. Telencephalon. The two in the back? What is this? Metencephalon, and all of this is what? Myelencephalon. Somites, well, let me go over here. Eye should be in this area. That would be the eye. The heart. This is all of this is heart. Allantois, you have a huge allantois here. Okay, limb bud right here. These are limb bud. Vetteline vessels, you have them all over this slide. The Vetteline vessels, and so on and so forth. Ear should be right in this area, right here. I can see it on my slide. You guys cannot see. You guys cannot see it. Ear or aortic vesicles. Aortic arches. If this is hard, aortic arches should be in this area somewhere. Again, not nice on my slides, and I'm sure you will not find it. Dorsal aorta would be a line runs through. That would be dorsal aorta. You should, again, on this slide we don't see it, but you put the microscopes or dissecting scopes, I'll find it for you guys. Dorsal. And somites, of course, they're back here. Each one of these lines is called a somite. You guys, question? No? No? Good. You're good. Okay, how many hours? 96 hours. So, what is the name of structure? Mesencephalon. In the back? Metencephalon. This one? Myelencephalon. What is the name of structure? Mesencephalon. What is the name of structure? Diencephalon. And what is the name of structure? What? Telencephalon. What is the name of structure? Allantois. Is that right? Eye would be in this area, right here. Heart. All of this should be the heart. Can you see that? Allantois, limb bud. Vetteline vessels, you have them all over. All of these are Vetteline vessels. Ear, you should be able to see it. It's better now. This is ear. Aortic arches, dorsal aorta, and somites. Somites are these bands, these lines are somites. Aortic arches and dorsal aorta. Tough to see on here. You put up the slides, I'll find it for you guys. That's it? Really? Okay, let's go over the 2x2s. 2x2s, test 1. What is the name of the organism? Huh? Nuclearia fowleri. What disease does it cause?
Primary
amoebic meningoencephalitis. Okay, primary amoebic meningoencephalitis. What is the name of the organism? Toxoplasma gondii. What stage? Oocyst. What disease does it cause? Well, if you write down toxoplasmosis, I will not give you credit, and you are right. But what I'm looking for, when I say what disease, what I'm looking for, signs and symptoms. So you can write down a few things. Flu-like, is that right? Flu-like a flu. You can write down a hydrocephalic. You can write down mental retardation. There is a series of things you can write down. Okay? Yeah. The what? This one? Poop. Cat. These are all cat poop. Everything here is cat poop except this one. What is the name of the organism? Toxoplasma gondii. And what stage? Tachyzoids. What is the name of the organism? Toxoplasma gondii. What stage? Bradyzoid. What is the name of the condition? The disease?
Hydrocephalic brain.
Yeah, hydrocephalic brain. Hydrocephalic brain. What stage? Cyst. Cyst stage. What organism? Giardia lamblia or Giardia intestinalis. What is the name of the organism? Giardia. What you guys are waiting for? Giardia. Okay? And mode of locomotion, everything else, type of disease. You all know, we already discussed that. Oh, what stage? That would be a good one. What stage? Huh? Trophozoite stage. Trophozoite. What is the name of the organism? Plasmodium. Plasmodium. Okay? And you know the rest. What phylum? Epicomplex. What is the name of structure? Oocyst. And what is in the background?
Mosquito gut.
Mosquito stomach, mosquito gut. That's right. And what organism? Plasmodium. Plasmodium. What is the name of the organism? Amoeba coli. Amoeba coli. What stage? Cyst. What stage? Trophozoid. See, the cyst stages are usually nice and round. Most of the time, they have a cyst wall, they call them. We didn't talk about any of this. They have a cyst wall. But anyhow, these guys do not have a wall around them. This is a trophozoid stage. What organism? Amoeba coli. What? Amoeba coli, not really. In some cases, the person has a lot of things. They have Amoeba coli. They can come down with diarrhea. What is the name of the organism? Balantidium coli. What disease does it cause? Diarrhea. What is the name of the organism? Balantidium coli. What phylum? Celiophora. What is the name of the organism? Isospora. Isospora. What phylum? AP complexa. What stage? Trophozoid. What is the name of the organism? Giardia. Just unhook everything, man. Unplug the edge. Unplug all of them. Okay. Okay. Right here, guys, let's start with starfish first. That's what we start with the course. Matt, this is a zygote, is that right?
Right.
2 cells, 4 cells, 8 cells, and so on and so forth. So, what would be this? What stage? Morula. Very good. Morula. I would still call this morula. And then, what stage? Blastula. What is the name of structure? Blastocele. And that's all I can ask on this one. Okay, then on this one, what is the name of structure? Blastocele. What is the name of structure? I'll put the tape right here. Blastopore. What is the name of structure? What is the name of structure?
Mesoderm. Archentron.
Archentron. What germ layer?
Oh, mesoderm.
What yellow is what? Endoderm. What germ layer? What stage? Gastrula. Okay. What stage? Gastrula. What is the name of structure? Blastopore. What is the name of structure? Blastocele. What is the name of structure? Archentron. What is the name of structure right here? Blastocele. 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 Okay, Archentron, blastocele. What germ layer? Ectoderm. What germ layer? Endoderm. Okay, can you guys get rid of this? Put them on Katie's list. Okay. The next one is the frog. Let's do the frog. So what stage would that be, you think? It would be zygote, 2 cells, and 8 cells, and what stage is this one? Morula. Okay. Then this one is what stage? Blastula. What is the name of structure? Blastocele. And then we move to this one. Still, I would call it blastula or maybe gastrula. It doesn't matter. But what is the name of structure? Yes, it does matter because we don't know what's inside of it. Right? I don't know if it's blastula or gastrula. But what is the name of that structure? Yolk plug. Yolk plug. Okay, so they took this one and cut it in half, and now we found out, it's a gastrula. What stage is this? Gastrula. Okay, so what is the name of structure? Yolk plug. What is the red? I will not add, during exam, I will not say red or white or blue. You should know it. Okay, what is the name of structure? Or germ layer. What is the name of germ layer? Mesoderm. What is the name of germ layer? Endoderm. What is the name of germ layer? Mesoderm. Notochord come from mesoderm. Good job. What is the name of structure? Notochord. So I can put a tape here and ask you 2 questions. What germ layer? Mesoderm. What is the name of structure? Notochord. What is the name of structure? Or germ layer, I'm sorry. Ectoderm. Same thing. They cut it in cross section. So what is the name of structure? Structure. Notochord. What germ layer? Mesoderm, mesoderm, mesoderm. What is the name of structure? What is the name of the germ layer? What is the name of structure? Archentron. Archentron was also in this one as well. This was Archentron. Right? So that was Archentron as well. So, we didn't talk about these. After, I guess somebody put them in. Well, I should have gone this way. Sorry about that. So this is a blastocele. Is that right? Blastula, blastocele, blastula. Or I went over these. I went over them. Right? I went over these. After blastula is gastrula. After gastrula, then you have neurula. These 2 are neurula. These are embryonic stages. Is that right? The tadpole. This is a frog. So these are tadpole, but these 2 are a neurula stage. So on this neurula, what would be the name of structure? Neural plate. Structure, not germ layer. If I ask what germ layer, you're right. It's ectoderm. Is that right? Ectoderm would be the name of germ layer. But neural plate. And what stage? Neurula. Neurula. This one, what is the name of structure? Neural plate. Very good. And then, what germ layer? Endoderm. What is the name of structure? Archentron. What is the name of the structure? Notochord. What is the name of structure? Or germ layer? Mesoderm. And then that's it. Is that right? Then the neural plate right here, guys, the neural plate closes and becomes a neural tube. Right here. Neural tube. So neural tube. So what is the name of structure right here? Notochord. What is the name of structure here? Arcantron. What is the name of germ layer? Endoderm. What is the name of germ layer? Mesoderm. And that's about it. See, and what germ layer? How about this? Here. Ectoderm. Your brain comes from ectoderm, right? Your brain comes from your nervous system is from ectoderm. Same thing again. An older version of the tadpole. What is the name of the structure? Arcantron. No. What is the name of structure? Neural tube. What germ layer? Ectoderm. What is the name of structure? Arcantron. What germ layer? What is the name of structure? Notochord. What germ layer? Mesoderm. What is the name of the germ layer? Cross section. Is that right? Of the same thing, cross section. What is the name of structure? Somites. Very good. What is the name of structure? Neural tube. What is the name of structure? Notochord. What is the name of germ layer? Mesoderm. What is the name of structure? What germ layer? Arcantron, endoderm. And between the two mesoderm, you see that black line? That is, what is the name of structure? Coelom. Coelom. These are, same thing, frog. Of course, this is a gastrula, yolk plug, notochord, ectoderm, endoderm, arcantron right here, and so on and so forth. Mesoderm. Here, neural tube, notochord, arcantron, endoderm, mesoderm. Same thing here. Neural tube came from ectoderm, mesoderm, notochord came from mesoderm, arcantron, endoderm, mesoderm, which is hard in this case. Okay? Check 33 hours. You looked at this slide. This is the model, of course. What this would be the aortic arches, prosencephalon, mesencephalon, rhombencephalon, somites. Okay, and then neural fold, neural groove, primitive streak. Dorsal aorta, endoderm. That's all I have to say on that one. The blood vessel here is dorsal aorta, and then this one is endoderm.
So what did you call this?
Optic vesicles. Optic vesicles, which is right here. Optic vesicles, prosencephalon. The other side of the animal, you have the heart, margin of amnion, Vetteline vessels. What was this one? Lateral mesoderm, vascularized area, dorsal aorta, notochord, the orange underneath of notochord, the blue is neural tube. The blue is what germ layer? Ectoderm. The orange is what germ layer? Mesoderm. Okay. So, and that's all I have to say on that one. So this cut is through the eye right here. So optic vesicle, prosencephalon, mesoderm, endoderm, ectoderm. That's through the eye. And this one probably would be your mesencephalon, right? Rhombencephalon, mesencephalon, and then some remedies of optic vesicles of left still. The next one is through the heart, epimyocardium, endocardium, pharynx, dorsal aorta, notochord, neural tube. Same thing again. Now this is through the somites. Somite, neural tube, notochord, dorsal aorta, endoderm, and these are coelom. Back to the heart. Coelom, pharynx, is that right? Epimyocardium, endocardium, heart together. And the rest of the animal, pretty much nothing. Somites, dorsal aorta, neural tube, notochord. And by the time you get to here, the neural tube becomes a neural fold. Becomes like that. And on the bottom of it, right here, is neural groove. Notochord still exists until here it does not exist. In primitive streak, it does not exist anymore. Okay? So those are all of the embryo. Let's look at amoeba quickly. So pseudopod, is that right? Ectoplasm. Sometime you guys doing the exam write down ectoderm. I will not give you credit. Ectoplasm, endoplasm, cytoplasm, vesicles, contractile vacuole, nucleus, bacteria they ingested, vesicle, lysosome, cytoplasm. Same thing here, a little bit more clear, I guess. The creamish area, that would be cell membrane, ectoplasm, endoplasm, cytoplasm, phagocytosis. They're eating this amoeba is eating a bacteria. This is a bacteria. Okay, a contractile vacuole. I'm sorry, nucleus. Sorry about that. Nucleus, contractile vesicles, cytoplasm, endoplasm, ectoplasm.
The bottom one is it food vacuum?
The which one? These are all food vacuoles. They're all food vacuoles. Paramecium, these were amoeba, right? So paramecium, oral groove, cytostome, cytopharynx, food vacuole, cytoproct or cytopage, ampulla or excretory pore, ampulla, contractile vacuole, macronucleus, micronucleus, food vacuoles, ampulla, contractile vacuole, ampulla, and excretory pore, cytoplasm, cilia, in here. Same thing in here, oral groove, cytostome, cytopharynx, food vacuoles, ampulla, contractile vacuole, excretory pore, macronucleus, micronucleus, food vacuoles, ampulla, and these are what is this? Trichocytes. These are trichocytes. Is there any cytoplasm? Is there any question? Cytoproct right here. This one, cytoproct here is cytoproct. This one here is cytoproct. They both are cytoproct. Is there any question that I'm supposed to know? Huh? No? Please tell me.